Hi, and welcome to Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, I'm pretty excited because I want to show you something that I've been working on for many months together with my partner, Alex Krulik. And on the 24th of October, we're going to be releasing this amazing software that will help you generate books for Amazon KDP. But not only just generate books, it's not just the software to generate you books, but it's also a software to help you generate commissions, royalties from selling books online, creating books using AI and selling them online. And when I'm talking about generating money, I'm talking about on a daily basis. And it's free. And you're not going to be doing anything other than creating books in 10 minutes, publishing them, and using my strategies, generating money, sales, or people reading your pages, you get paid. That's why it's called Royalty Profits AI, because everything has to do with royalties. Anything that people read, you get paid. Anything that people buy, you get paid. Anything that people are, I don't know, whatever you're creating on Amazon, KDP, using my strategies and this is the reveal section, okay? Royalty Profits AI ebook generator software and more. And what we've done here is not the typical ebook generator software that you've probably seen. And there's many that have been out and they've been good. However, there's been always something missing to this, and an automation thing to make it a lot easier for somebody to create books in a lot less time, and not just you having to write manually, put things down, but helping you generate books with clicking a couple of buttons and getting the right information and creating the right books for the right tone, for the right sound from any URL, any video, any content, any title, any keyword. Okay. So, and these books are not just any book, that they're really good books. Like, people are actually buying these books and I'm making money from them. Okay. So I'm doing a lot of things here. I've created a lot of books using my software, and it's not based on the credit system. You have full control on the pricing, which is seriously, to generate one book, it costs you maybe less than 20 cents or something, or even 5 cents. I've got the pricing inside my training as well. So I even have a section inside my training for this software where I'm explaining the pricing to this, okay? And we're talking about having a page up to 100-page book costs you less than 50 cents to put out, okay? If you're adding images, then you might have to add a couple extra dollars to it, but that's about it. So if you make a 100-page illustrated book daily, you spend $1 per book or 30 per month, okay? And we're talking about daily, all right? So I've got all the information here, but it's very stupid affordable. It shouldn't be an excuse because you'll be making your money back, okay? Through the system and strategy that I have inside my training section of Royalty Profits AI. I've really built this really well. It's the freshest training you'll see. I've got real results based on a real case study. You see me building a book from using my software and actually driving traffic and actually making sales, and the whole setup on how to use this amazing software. Okay. So what I'm going to do now today is an example of how I would go out and create a book real quick. And the idea behind it is to show you a couple of the features that we have and to blow you away with the automation feature that I have as well, which is part of our upgrades that we are going to be placing. But basically, a user is going to be coming in and is going to be able to create a campaign, and they can choose a campaign from choosing instant book, short report, URL, video to ebook, PDF file source, choosing the types of pages that they want to choose. Okay, up to 100 pages if you'd like, up to 5 to 10 pages. It's up to you. Okay, you choose a topic. All right. So for example, we can choose a topic. I don't know. I'm thinking of something right now. Thinking of a topic, I might have to use my research tool. Okay. So if I wanted to use my research tool, I can come in and then I can say like, okay, let's do a case study for YouTube. Okay, so once I set this up, I'm going to create a couple of videos to show you a follow through to see that I'm making money with the book that I created. And I can choose the research title that I want to do. Book title generation, popular books in the niche, generate author bio, etc. All these are just here for me to choose. Okay, so let me just do popular books in the niche. Okay, and let me do maybe health and fitness in the last 6 months. And you can choose from these options and platforms that we have. We've got these options, global, United States, all right? Number of views or the bestseller or sales volume maybe, all right? And then save. I'm gonna go ahead and check out what this has given me. And it pulls a couple of books. The 4-week gut health cookbook, Yoga for Everybody, a journey into the practice. Okay, healthy at home, burn, move your body, eat smart, healthy cooking made simple. I'm going to do this one right here. Okay, it's yoga. I don't know about yoga, but let's check it out. So what I did is that it pushes that information in. And then from here, it fills everything up that I need. What I want to do is get a new title, so I'll make it unique and might change it a little bit. And then we'll move on to the next step. With my software, I wanted to put my little touch to it. So I wanted to make things easier. Other softwares, you need to go in, you need to write. You don't need, this allows you to basically pick from what our AI is creating for you. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and we have options for you to come down and see what is it that you want to look for. I'm looking at health and wellness enthusiast. Okay. And I want health and wellness is my purpose. And I have information on how you're going to be using these purposes or tones and how to mix them up in general from my section right here. I'm not leaving you alone. So it'll make things a lot easier because depending on the tone and the purpose of the book, then you're going to make the perfect sounding book for you that sounds original, human, and we've built it inside through our prompts that we've built inside to make it as realistic as possible. Okay. So I'm the author of this, obviously. And we have another cool option here. For example, if I have an account somewhere with my information about me. So if I've got like my author page, okay, this is my author page on Amazon. So what I can do is basically take this link that I have, or any link or any content that you write. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Okay. And I can come down and I'll just want to show you this feature just to show off. And this generates based on the link, it takes the information of the information and puts it in and creates an author page bio. Okay. So here we go. I can also do the following. I can come and add an image. By the way, all images that you create in your books are going to be found inside your Royalty Profits media library. So you can use them at any time. All right. Then the beautiful thing is that I wanted to make everything so automated so you don't have to go out and find these keywords for these books when you're uploading on KDP. And I'm doing that as well. I'm also generating the descriptions for the KDP categories. So you don't need to go out and search what are the categories for the specific book. It does it automatically. Then we move down. And now, since I'm doing yoga, wouldn't it be awesome if I could promote an offer that is maybe on ClickBank that has to do with yoga? Okay, so let's find an offer on ClickBank. Okay, let me try this. Let me go into all and let's go down to health and fitness and let's go to yoga. Share yoga exercises. I have no idea what this is, but we'll check it out. So this is my affiliate link. I just got my affiliate link and I want to see the sales page. Okay, this is a guide for yoga. All right. So I'll take it. I'll use it. Okay. I mean, there's no other, I mean, I could go in and search for more, but, and I don't know if I'll make commissions. You might at one point, who knows? So, yoga, yoga. Okay. And then this is where I put my affiliate link. Next. Now I'm going to include images to this. I want to do an illustration per chapter at random, photorealistic, and I'll I'll do 10 images. It's a lot, but I'll do it. And then I'll choose my title and author on the cover, and I'm going to choose GPT image 1. I do have the option of Nano Banana as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose the template that I want to create. So this is going to be more of a, I'll do a business book mostly. And then I can also make it a little bit larger print. Okay, so you can read it better and create. Okay, so now my software is going in. It's planning the book. It's going inside. It's going to follow the instructions that we have built in for the specific prompt, for the business prompt, for everything that I told it to. And it's going to generate a really nice, readable, full of value packed with links included if it does some researching and it ties into other outside sites that it read about. It gives you backlinks as well, which helps you, and also creates amazing covers. And I can't wait to show you the automation feature, which is one of the upgrades, but it doesn't matter. I'm showing you the whole demo of this software and how easy it is for you to put something out. And also, I'm going to be proving to you that I am generating money with the books that I'm putting out. So anybody that creates the books following my training and the software is guaranteed to see royalties by the end of their 5 days into the realm of KDP publishing. I have discovered this last year in 2024 in August, when I just out of the blue thought, how about I create a book manually using AI and try my luck with KDP because of a course that I went through for something else that had to do with puzzles or something. And I took it a little bit further. I went through each chapter. I created each chapter manually. Took me about 30 minutes, put it out there in the net. Then when I was doing the strategy that I discovered, I was testing out of logical sense, a strategy that actually works and helps my books being seen and also gets traffic to them and also makes sales, but also then makes sales on pages read and also from the books being sold. It's a whole, put them together. Then I also discovered a $5 ad hack that can drive even more views to your books, even more downloads, but that adds attraction to your books being sold on or seen on Amazon. And then at the end of the promo that you're going to be creating, that I'm showing you inside, you're going to start seeing the money come in slowly. The money that you're seeing in general from my results are little, but enough because it works. And what I mean it works is because the amount of pricing that I'm putting in my books is like $4.97. Okay, so we're not talking about people are paying a lot of money for this. So that's what I'm saying. It's pretty crazy. So, like for example, last month or last 90 days, 163. This year, but I wasn't working all throughout the thing. So lifetime, I've generated about 414 in royalties from last year. These are from last year, and then this year. Okay, so I started using it again when we finished the software, because I was like, I can't do this manually. It takes a lot of time, and I didn't have a software when I was doing it. So we created the software based on my idea, based on other softwares that we saw, and I made it into what I thought is a sweet point of what everybody should be using today. Okay, so going back into my software, this is almost done while I was talking to you. I haven't paused this video at all, and I'm telling you and I'm explaining, the power of this. Okay, so we need about maybe a minute left before this is complete, and then we can continue to the process of me pushing this into my account on KDP. This is the final part. It's generating the images. So I've got about 10 images. It might take a little bit, but it doesn't. It's really, really fast. And it's one of the fastest ebook creators you're going to be finding in the market. And it's very solid. Okay. And we're going to be updating this because I love this tool. I've been using it since we've created it and it works. And the latest books that I put out actually are generating me results already, which is great because it's inside the training area where you can see everything from start. So it's finished and we're going into my book and we're going to check out the preview. So we start off with a beautiful cover, okay? And it's got a nice little cover. It's got my author. It's got everything is set up. Introduction. Imagine step it back into the time. Well, body types, images. Yoga isn't about striking a pose. It's got information. Now it's talking about flexibility. Okay, it's talking about, it's giving out information, child's pose. Okay, more images, talking about creating a space. Okay, nice, images that look real. Key points, resources. This is where I told you that it actually has, it adds like links to Reddit, links to posts, to main websites. So this is creating backlinks if you're doing Kindle, okay? So this is pretty awesome. This book is just ready to go, okay? So I'm done with this book. It's pretty awesome. We've got features of you creating a video book for it, okay? With voices as well. These are features that are upgrades where you can create videos with images and sound that you can put on YouTube and promote your books or drive traffic to the books. You get audiobooks that you can use as well with ACX on Amazon for their stuff, so you can generate the audios as well. All right, and you can download them. And then you can download your PDF or your EPUB and your cover. You can edit your covers. Okay, so I'm downloading well, I don't need to download anything right now. And the reason why is because I'm actually going to publish this automatically using my system that we've built in. Now watch this magic happen in real time. Now, this is the part where I want to show off the game changer in our software. You won't find this in any other software except ours. Now, this is based on what I wanted as a dream come true. Basically, I said to my partner, Alex, when we're creating this software, I need to create something that's going to be actually automating the whole process for us and actually letting us create our books and push them over to KDP without lifting a finger, basically. And he said, let me check and let me see what I can do. And we've actually been able to achieve this and actually following Amazon's policies, TOS policies. Amazon doesn't like automation tools. This is not an automation tool. This is basically helping you manually automate the process that you would actually manually do it humanly possible. We're not bypassing any systems. We're not faking something. We're not putting something that we shouldn't. We're actually, it's us going in my account as you're seeing this move in real time, where it's filling in all the information that you would actually have to do manually. So it's doing it in a very human way possible without being detected that we're some kind of software, and we're not doing anything wrong. It's just not us being there doing this. So this is saving us a lot of time, saving you a lot of time. And basically, once this is done in a couple of minutes or a minute, all you have to do is just refresh your KDP account and see your book ready to go. All you have to do is just to go in and publish it. If you want to change something, you change it, but I'll show you the full steps. And this is the game changer that we're using this year with our Royalty Profits AI. This is because I needed this. I've been creating a lot of books, and now I've been picking up the book generation thing because it works. And like I said, I had a little pause in my ears because we were working on this software. And since the time we started the software a month ago, I started pushing books out and I started seeing results already. Okay. One of my best months for 2 months ago was $100. It's in the training that I have inside the main area because you can't track on a month-to-month basis. But I had the information there from this. So basically, still waiting, almost done. This is updating the price, it says, and we should be ready in about, there we go. It's updating the marketplace. Also, when you're creating the books, you can easily edit the chapters, make it different, better, whatever it is that you want. And you can restart a campaign and try another thing because the outputs are always different, similar. It's never the same. So it's done. Completed. All I got to do is close, and then I come back into my Amazon KDP, and all I have to do is refresh. Now, what you see here is the yoga. You see, it's all ready. So what I have to do now is go into continue setup. All right, I want to fix this title and check everything else is ready. I don't have to do anything. Keywords are there. Categories are there. All I have to do is save and continue. Even the book cover, everything is all done. All right, I don't have to do anything. Okay, none. And save. Okay, I'm gonna enroll this. I'm gonna choose the pricing that I want to do. I've got my $4.97 on there, and I'm gonna publish my ebook. I'm done. I published my ebook. Okay, that's how fast we're gonna be creating books with my software. this is how you're going to be generating. I don't know if when I first started, I had less than 81 orders. Now they're 81. And the royalties for today is because people read a few pages, made some commissions, orders, read. So, and we've got the estimator here with all the royalties that I'm generating. 357, 343, 346. 29, 19, 12 units sold, 44 yesterday. We're talking about this is this is how it works. Also, another cool thing is that I'm also being ranked on Amazon as well from my books that are being sold. Okay, so for example, this is the US. Some are pretty okay, okay? Other, look at this, 3,928 on my newest book that I just posted on October 3rd, and it has to do with my book. 3,000. This is, I need to use this as, this is huge. I just put it the other day. Let me go to UK, 584, 6,000 right here. An older book that I had, 7,000, nothing there. So you get ranked in all these different marketplaces. This is like free traffic every day. So each marketplace has a different ranking process depending on the book. And also the fact is that we can create books in different languages as well. Okay. So when you're creating books, you can also come in and choose like the languages. We've got Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and Arabic. Okay. Again, you can get any URL, any video, create any book type you want. We have the beautiful thing that you can come here and choose any of these options. What kind of book you want to create? You want a children's book? You have a children's book right here. And the fact is, I've got one book here that I created with a children's book. Okay. It's a proper book for a story with images that make sense. It's a story about courage, friendship, blah, blah, blah. It's a proper story, okay, that people read and you can put on Amazon KDP, covering any niche that you'd like, okay? So this software tool is powerful. It's coming out 24th of October. It's not live yet. 24th of October at 11 a.m. Eastern. Make sure you pick this up. I'm telling you, you're going to be loving it. I've created it with a lot of passion, and inside my training, I take you through all the steps that you need to go through to actually make royalties. I'm showing you some awesome stuff in here, fresh stuff, and I can't wait to show you everything that I'm offering you with this amazing, amazing software tool that we're releasing on October 24th. Thank you, and I'll talk to you on October 24th. Royalty Profits AI. Don't forget it. Thank you. Talk to you soon.